Hey everybody, it's me, Hair So Pretty here. I'm back with another video showing you how to reinstall a already used wig from my hairline, hairsopretty.com. That's 3 words. Hair So Pretty, HARSOPRETTI. The website is altogether hairsopretty.com. Right here, I'm just finished braiding her up. She just got a silk press, which I will be posting that video as well, but she is 100% natural. And right here I'm braiding her up. Make sure you do small flat braids when doing an install to get the most flattest look on the wig. You don't want a bulky wig. But I'll be in and out the video. I'll be back in just a second. Okay, so right here I'm just oiling her scalp. I do that with all my clients. I oil their scalp just to make sure that their hair is protected under the wig before I put the wig on. Then you're going to see me come back around and wipe. Well, I don't know if I put that part in, but I did wipe all the oils off around her skin before I put the cap on. Right here I'm spraying it with the Got to Be spray. Then I'm going to blow dry it. Now I'm putting the cap on. I'm going to cut the ear holes out. I'm not going to pull it all over her eyes like everybody does. It's stretched enough. You can see that. And then I'm going to cut the ear tabs out. And then we're going to, melt the cap. And then we're going to proceed with the install. Okay, so right here I'm using the boho liquid to melt the cap down. That's another key. Make sure your cap is completely melted before install. And then I'm putting some more makeup on the cap before I do the install. I'm also going to clean the skin. I don't use alcohol all the time. It depends on if they have sensitive skin or not. I use the sea breeze to clean the skin, especially when they have sensitive skin, so they won't bump up or anything like that. And that's what I'm doing right here. All the products and adhesive that I used were Erica J and Hair Diagram products. Okay, so right here I'm using the adhesive, the Hold Down Adhesive by Erica J. I use the 3 layers. I use 3 layers and I do them in sections. So see, the front section, the side section, the left section, and the section. That's just the way I did this one. I do all the installs different, but that's just the way I did this install. Okay, so now that I've got the wig laid down, I already put the band on it to melt the lace in the skin, and now I'm sewing the back of it. I had to take the band off because it was too tight. It was getting too tight for her head, but right now I'm sewing the back of the wig down before I go ahead and proceed with the styling, and then I'm going to go ahead and go into the styling after this. Okay, so right here, I only put a little of the serum on her hair, just to give it a little shine. I don't put much products in my units when I'm doing installs or even my own install. Just a little product, and I'm using the wax sticks, the Erica J wax stick as well. And then I went in with this hot comb. It's the one that you can put on the stove, like it doesn't have a plug. I have the one with the plug, but I'm using the one off the stove. It gets more hotter. And I'm gonna go ahead and flatten it out, and then I'm gonna go ahead and carve out the baby hairs. And we're not doing anything extravagant, just some minor baby hairs. And then we're gonna go ahead and start curling the hair. Okay, so as I'm doing this video, I realized that I did not brush my own edges down. So yeah, they're a little nappy, but this ain't about me. It's about this install, so don't come for me. Okay, so right here, I doubled up on the wrap strips, the black wrap strips, just to tie the baby hairs down. And while I'm tying those down, after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and proceed with the styling of the unit. So with this unit, she wanted tight curls. So what I did was, as I curled it, I went ahead and pin curled it all the way up. And then after I pin curled it up, then what I did after that was, after I finished curling the whole unit, then I took the pin curls out, and the curls were flawless. Okay, and right here, I'm just thinning out the baby hairs a little bit. I didn't want them too thick, but that's what I'm doing right here. And I'm going to comb them out so they won't be crunchy. So right here, I'm just flattening out, making it more flatter with my curling iron. And right here, I did this in slow motion. I want you guys to look at how beautiful this unit is, how it holds the curls, how the sheen is on the wig. And I only use like not even a dime size. So I want you to look at the wig and see how luscious and flowy and voluptuous those curls are. Okay, so right here, look how beautiful that is. That is beautiful. Shop with me at hairsopretty.com. That's all together, HAIRSEWPRETTI. Hairsopretty.com. That's a 13x6 transparent lace frontal unit. That's a 24-inch. Okay, right here I did slow motion too, just so you can see the front of it and how it flows. That's what I did right here as well. Okay, so now that I'm finished playing with the wig, we're going to go ahead and lift that front up because she doesn't like it flat. So what I did was I got some Gust-to-Be spray. I sprayed it. I lifted it with my comb. I sprayed it. Then I lifted it again with my comb and I blow dried it. That gives a really great lift and it sits just like that. Just take your time and do that. Once I finished the lift, then I went ahead and put some makeup in the part and I sprayed it with the black spray. Don't forget to do that. And also, I'm going to let you finish watching the video. I'm done talking, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, follow me on my social medias on Instagram at hair_so_pretty. All together on Facebook, 3 words, hair so pretty. On TikTok, hair so pretty, all together. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. no filter. I think I look great.